Hi everyone, you all. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for your support. So we made 200,000 subscribers now on YouTube. Look, 200,000 subscribers, amazing. Thanks you to each and every single one of you for being part of the CoinsKid crew, okay, and the CoinsKid community here. You know, the fantastic level of support. You know, just liking the videos, helping the reach in the channel. You know, them likes help with the algorithm. The sharing is caring. The sharing that you do on Twitter, you know, your social media platforms there as well, which we'll see. Yeah, it's amazing. Thank you to each and every single one of you. Big up the CoinsKid crew to getting us to 200k subs. So brilliant, fantastic. What a community we all are. Okay, and we've all done it together. You know, it's fantastic. So right now, taking a look at XRP, I'm going to show you this as well. I've done this in a Bitcoin video today, but bankers issue seismic warning: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, and our beloved XRP could replace the dollar in just 5 years as crypto market price adds 1 trillion. And I did add this into the Bitcoin video, so I will add it into this video today as well. So yeah, basically my auntie phoned me last night and said, Tom, are you still into crypto and stuff like that? I was like, yeah, of course. She says, well, I've been to the bank today about bank loans, and he says, look, I shouldn't be telling you this about savings, sorry. I shouldn't be telling you this, but my bank manager told me to buy Bitcoin. Wow. You know, a bank manager telling someone to buy Bitcoin. I don't know if that's actually legal. You're not allowed to give financial advice. I don't know the legalities of it or whatever in the UK unless you register. I don't know. But that's a bank manager telling someone to buy Bitcoin. Hello? Alarm bells ringing. You know, wow. Okay, wow. So that's really, really good. That's confluence that, you know, we could potentially be on the verge of something here for crypto. Okay, so again, not financial advice, and nothing I say is financial advice. But like I said to you, this is why I do put in the videos the road to $27 or the road to $18 or whatever it is. You know, it is a road, it is a journey, and like all roads, they are bumpy. Okay, especially in Roman times when new technology and new roads are being built. It was really bumpy, wasn't it? Cobbly roads. So this is why it's so bumpy until we get up there and it's one straight super highway where, you know, XRP just sort of goes sideways once it's found that liquidity and all that establishment and that sort of evolution, and it's where it needs to be. It's going to be bumpy, and this is all the bumpiness of it. It's the volatility of crypto and the space, and you have got to capitalize on this whilst you can, because it won't be here and it won't be as volatile forever. Okay, so people buy into crypto like they think they're coming in and they're going to buy, like, you know, making millionaires overnight. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that unless you buy Doge. Okay, I'm joking, but anyway, it is bumpy. And like I said to you, in a lot of my thumbnails, you'll see zoom out. If in doubt, zoom out. And I always say that to people: if in doubt, zoom out straight away. Look, let's take a look at the monthly. This is USDT. Let's go to a different chart. Let's take a look at the monthly and see how healthy we look on the monthly. I mean, look at that. Look how healthy you are on the monthly. Look at that. It's a monthly chart for XRP. You can't tell me that's not healthy. That's really healthy. You're above the EMAs. You're above all the EMAs, the primary EMAs that I like to use. I mean, look at that big, huge monthly candle right there. That's amazing. You know, even that is telling me that you're looking at some kind of retracement, to be honest with you, because that's one big fat green candle in this uptrend that you're going through. So potentially, you know, the retracement is sort of there. You know, it's telling you even on the monthly, look, you come back down to the 20 EMA. I'm not saying you will come all the way back down there, but the 20 EMA sits at 62 cents. So even if you did have a whopping correction, you bounced off that. Look, I mean, in all of this shite that we have gone through of this year, we're still super mega bullish on the monthly time frame. And this is why I always say, if in doubt, zoom out. Look, it's your capitulation. You rolled into the bear, you started losing support of the EMAs, you rolled under the 55 especially, you lost it. You know, that's you're bearish basically. You're in a bear market. Look, you can't get your head above water, you're drowning basically. And right here, you come up, you're above the EMAs just here. Wow. You know, I think round about here last November, we was printing the weekly buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid, wasn't we? Yeah, I mean, look at that just there. Where are we? November. You know, even from that signal right there, when we printed it on the 2nd of November, the buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid, right now you're still 411% up. So like I said to you, they're like rocking horse shit. Okay, this signal here, the death cross, that's like rocking horse shit. That signifies a bear market. This signal here, which, look, the last time we've literally had 2 buy and go to the beat signals in 4 years. Okay, we had one in March, and look at that. See you later. We had one last November. Look at that. See you later. So these signals here, buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. Remember it, okay? So this is what I mean to you about zoom out. If in doubt, zoom out. People get bogged down with the current time frame and the in-outs, chops. I would try and teach you everything I know within the current time frame, but my long-term projection is this parabolic curve. Look at this parabolic curve that you're starting to form here for XRP. Okay, and then you've got the bankers saying buy Bitcoin, and then you've got them articles from Forbes, you know, bankers issue seismic warning, you know, and then you've got the chart screaming this at you. What are you meant to think? What are you meant to think going forward? Okay, so this is why I say to you, if in doubt, zoom out, dollar cost average, forget about today, look for tomorrow, okay, because you can see XRP, not just XRP, crypto is on a journey, isn't it? So yeah, but it will be bumpy, and hopefully along the way I can show you where the tops are and the bottoms are, and you know, and the optimal entry points and short places, long places and things like that, and try and teach you how to read these charts yourself. But I'll always say it, if in doubt, zoom the out. Okay, so that's XRP. So right now we'll have a look on the hourly time frame, see how we're looking. No, actually we're going to look at DXY first. We'll take a look at the DXY and see what that's doing. So looking at the DXY, you can see we pretty much fell down here, and we've bounced off for 20, and you're still within this pattern just here. So, you know, you might see a bit of a relief rally here in the DXY. This could coincide with a little bit of a dump for crypto. Who knows? But if it starts to rally, obviously breaks out of here, you're looking at a kind of downtrend for crypto. If it starts to lose support just here, this is where you're looking at a continuation of the bull trend for crypto. At the minute, it's like going sideways, isn't it? The crypto is sort of caught between a rock and a hard place. It can't kind of make its mind up, and people think that you know, we've hit a top, we've come back down, we're going to create a dead cat bounce, and then we're going to roll, okay, and we lose that support just there like I've shown you. Yeah, that's your bear market, and that will coincide with this breaking out and moving onwards and upwards. Okay, so it's sort of locked, isn't it, at the moment? But I don't anticipate a bear market, to be honest with you. But because I don't anticipate, it does not mean it will not happen. I want to remind you of that. You know, I've not got a crystal ball. So if we take a look at this total market cap, you can see we've ran into 786 of this retracement right here. We ran into 2.16 trillion. You know, even that you can see we're starting to look a little bit overextended here, and potentially if we do have a nice little roll back to this 20, you know, it's looking good, isn't it? At the minute, we are literally, we've topped out just there, and we are literally 19% off the all-time high for total market capitalization. This is all of cryptocurrencies combined, and not a lot of people look at this chart, but I like to, because instead of looking at individual projects, this compresses all of crypto, so you can sort of get an idea of where we're going, and you know, your extensions and fib targets from that. So if we start to break out here, we are looking at 1.618 fib just there. We are actually looking at a $4.31 trillion market cap once we break this high just there. You know, and with that, that's not just Bitcoin appreciating, that's everything. That's XRP, the job lot. Okay, and then obviously, as you're fully aware, if we break this high, hold its support, that's our fib target up there, and we do actually have a larger target up here for crypto, the 2.72 up there, 11.76 trillion in this bull run that we do anticipate we're still in. Backtest old support continuation, you know, and XRP is going to take a market share of that. That's why we've got them price projections up there, providing we can hold support moving forward, and that's exactly what it's all about. Okay, so yeah, it's crunch time, isn't it, at the minute for XRP? But looking at the XRP chart then on the hourly time frame, let's see what we can see. Okay, yeah, I think I said to you yesterday, XRP needs to close above this level here, 128, wasn't it? Let's take a look at that on the daily. Actually, I think I said to you in yesterday's video, you do need to see the close here, and let me get rid of drawings. So you did need to see the close above this level, and I think I did say to you as well what you're going to see. Yeah, let's have a look at this. It was 12839, and you can see yesterday we actually closed at 12457. And like I said to you yesterday, you're potentially going to see a wick up there and a level of rejection right now. So you did get that, but you're starting to pick up again today. Okay, but the more XRP sort of fails to break out here, the more potential and bias I'm giving to a larger correction just there for XRP, and the potential, you know, even if we just sort of come down like this and come down and have a double bottom retest, there is still a sort of a little pullback that needs to come here for XRP to confirm support, and you can see at the minute that is where the 20 sits. So do anticipate, you know, a pullback is on the cards at the moment until you can break this high, and it's all about breaking this high. Obviously, you know, this is chop basically. It's called consolidation. It means you've come up, you're going sideways, you're consolidating in a range before the next leg up basically, and with that you can actually correct deeper to another key level of support and hold that support for continuation. Now if that does come, obviously if you lose the 109 here and we do correct, then look where the 20 is, the 55, sorry, look where the 55 is creeping up to right now, now on a daily, it's starting to look a lot more healthier, isn't it? Because remember, we've taken off into space here, the candles are up here, and like I said to you, buy big green candles, you get big red dildos, don't you? You get shafted. And loads of people are like, oh, I'm missing the boat, I'm missing the boat. FOMO, I'm missing the boat. Where do I buy? Where do I put my bids in? And stuff like that. Always wait for a back test of confirmation of support. I say this to you. Buy big green candles, get big red dildos, okay? You know, sit off, watch it take off into space. Don't worry about it. Buy the support of it, okay? Because if you're getting support, you're still looking at continuation and you're still going to be fruitful going forward, aren't you? Now, if you come down and you lose those key level support when you're testing them, that is like it's a saving grace, because you've not jumped in at any point. You buy the support, and that's basically what I tried to teach you in the channel, okay? Buy support on these FOMO, on these green candles. When you absolutely start taking off into space, you start to pull back and you hold in support. That's great. You're looking at continuation of the trend, basically. So yeah, I mean, it's almost begging for it, isn't it, at the minute? You know, and hopefully, you know, we could find this ABC correction down here, but if we do start to lose the 109 right there, then you could be looking at that further correction down here to this previous swing low, and potentially, you know, this 55 might creep up at that point, and that is where you might actually find the key support on the daily time frame just there. I think pretty much like we've gone through before, haven't we, in where we've got overextended for XRP, come up like this and come back to the 55 and the 20. Even here we started to go a little bit parabolic like we were there. People, oh no, I've missed the boat, it's taking off into space. But what did it do? It come back and it actually had wicked below the 55, built up a momentum just there, and then broke out, created some kind of little cup and handle pattern just there in itself, and broke out. Okay, look, you got a little cup and handle pattern just there. Do you see that? So you've got your little handle coming back, like pretty much like what you're doing right now. Come back up, broke support, and then you absolutely bust out of there, didn't you? And then your technical target would come away and you actually got met. So, you know, this is all what's in front of us. But like I said to you, people will be shitting themselves here, because you're creating this big handle where you're starting to come back. You know, you're starting to come back like this, come back to a key level support like this, you know, whatever. If it forms some kind of bullish reversal pattern here, you know, some kind of falling, broadening wedge where you get resistance then come back down like that, and you come back up and break this high, you're looking at a whopping trade here. You're looking at a whopping trade here, you know, for upside for XRP. So it's looking good, you know, it is looking good. At the minute it's just chop sideways, consolidation, looking for support before continuation. And like I said to you, if you can get the daily close above this level here at 12839, then you're looking good for continuation. But right now you are getting a level rejection. Okay, there was a real big pump yesterday for XRP. I don't know what that was about, whether it's some news or whatever, but it was some big pump, and then obviously it rolled over. So but today you're having a nice little pump again. So if you do start to see this daily close above this level here, that is actually quite bullish for XRP, above 12839. Okay, so until that comes, you are looking at a rejection, a bit of consolidation with a potential to come lower and retest this low at least at 109. Okay, so that's it. That's XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong. There's no real patterns or anything forming, is there, on the daily, on the hourly time frame? Okay, what we've got there, kind of little W bottom perhaps. Let's have a look at this, see if we see anything here. Tiny little W bottom. Let's take a look at this. So from there to there, tiny little trade bringing you back up to about 127 just there. You see that? So it's a potential little play right there for you. Take care everyone. Back tomorrow with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.